Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. I have a short one today for you folks. It's a 15 GT with a Whipple Stage 2 kit. And we did some cooling mods, long tube headers. We're gonna make a dyno pull, see what it makes. It's gonna be awesome. 93 octane, Whipple calibration, as well as a manual transmission. I have Doug with me. Let's go check out the engine compartment. And if you haven't, hey, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. Let's get started. Okay, here's what we have. I told you we had a little bit more mods to this car. So we did a set of BBK long tube headers and our cooling mods. Doug, come down. Let's take a look. We have our big Adler radiator, rear cylinder head cooling kit, as well as a cooler thermostat. It's the Whipple. It's the Gen 5 Stage 2 kit. Big, 132 throttle body. That thing's giant. The inlet on the Supercharger is huge. Of course, you get some 72-pound fuel injectors, new air induction system. It's intercooled. It's a 3.875 pulley. A lot of you ask. That's coming in at about 11 pounds of boost on this car right here. So being a manual transmission with the headers, when I make the dyno pull, I'm gonna be targeting over 680 real world horsepower would be my goal, maybe higher. We'll see what happens. Let's check it out. All right, I really like this 15 GT because it's exact same color combo as my old 15 GT where I had the Whipple on it, but I didn't have the Gen 5. Something I forgot to mention was we did install billet oil pump gears. That's pretty normal on most of the 15 and newer Mustangs. Even a lot of 1114s running higher RPM. I took this thing up to 7,500 RPM. Doug, come take a look. Pump right here, 709, real horsepower, 7,500, dyno jet rated SAE. Torque came in great, 545, peaking at 4650. That is going to be awesome on the street. So we're talking a Stage 2 Whipple kit. Okay, you get the big throttle body. They also have a Stage 1. They use the stock throttle body. BBK long tube headers. Cooling mods, you got to do that. And the billet oil pump gears. Sweet setup combined with those long tubes. Over 700 real horsepower SAE in our dyno jet. Doug, one more look at this car. Looks pretty stock from the outside. I like it. Got the factory wheels on here, black with the black 5.0 emblems. Pretty sweet setup. So, hey, what's it cost to get something like this built? You simply email quote@brenspeed.com. And don't forget the description. If you go up and look at that, I'll put links to everything I just talked about right there. So you can click on it, read a lot more about it. Subscribe and notify. Thanks for watching.